Shopify just sent me an award for getting a certain number of orders on my store. So today we're going to be putting the fake gurus to shame because we're going to be showing you some real proof of some of these crazy numbers which I've been showing you in the past few weeks and months. No other people on YouTube are actually showing you this. A lot of them are showing you fake screenshots of results they got either years ago or results which aren't even theirs. But Shopify sent me an award for my store's orders, so this should be pretty interesting. The only person I've actually seen do a video showcasing their award is actually Samuel Onua, who makes some really cool vlogs. Go check them out. But apart from that, I've not seen anyone else actually show them receiving an award like this. Now I am going to censor it because I don't want to leak my store name, but this is going to be a great video just to show you guys that I'm legit first of all, and just as a celebration. So let's open it up and check it out. I've not opened this yet. This has come all the way from America, so this is going to be really interesting. I've also never done an unboxing video, so this is going to be a new experience. I'm not sure, there's some kind of like paper thing on the back. I'm not sure if that's going to be like a letter that I need to open or if that's to do with the logistics, but let's just open this. Now one thing I always get paranoid about is breaking a box. Now we're going to break the seal with this screwdriver, which probably isn't the most optimal thing, but hopefully we don't damage this award. This is going to hopefully go along with my YouTube award, which is still actually staying in a box. I got a YouTube 100k subscribers award for my other channel, my gaming channel, but that's stayed in a box for the past few months because until I can move somewhere, that's going to stay in the box. So let's open this thing. I can't remember what milestone this is. This is for one of my stores, so I've got two stores. I've got a general store and then I've got a brand, so I'm kind of starting a brand. This is for the branded store, which was originally a dropshipping store, and then now I kind of abandoned that with dropshipping and I'm just focusing on the general store. So that store is basically back to square one because I'm turning it into a brand, but this is for when it was dropshipping. So you can't see this. This is a bad camera angle I've set up, but I am going to open it. So we open up the box here. I'm not sure if there's anything inside. There's loads of cardboard in here. Milestone made. So there's some text inside the box which says milestone made. I don't think you can see that. And there's just a ton of cardboard. And hopefully there's nothing inside these cardboard things. I'm just going to throw that back in the box. It's kind of like opening up furniture from IKEA. You don't know what's going to be inside. It's a fun experience. Okay, so then it's basically in this cardboard binder and it says Shopify milestones. My camera, I don't know if it's going to autofocus, but you should be able to see that. Shopify milestones. So this is going to be cool, right? So I guess let's just lift the award itself out of the cardboard. And it's in quite a nice box. Do bear in mind, just like the YouTube awards you get for a certain number of subscribers on YouTube, this is completely free. Shopify just sends you a cool award just for reaching a milestone, which I think is pretty cool. So this is the box. Pretty low key, nothing too crazy. I think I've got it the wrong way around there. It just says Shopify milestones. Then we pull up this little sleeve, which I believe this is a letter inside here. You can probably see like a fingerprint. Just ignore that. I believe this is a letter. I should have thought more about this camera angle, boys, but it doesn't matter. And then it says the start of something special. But here is a nice little letter from Shopify themselves with a little seal on the back. So let's just flip it open and then pull open this letter inside to reveal the letter from Shopify themselves. Now I believe this is from the Shopify CEO, although he's definitely not going to personally handwrite all these letters, so I'm guessing it's probably just a template, but I'm still happy to receive an award. As I believed, it doesn't say like my store on it, so I think I can show this, and you probably can't read this. I am going to try and focus it. You could probably freeze frame it so you can read it there. It basically just says, welcome, you've made it. You've reached a pivotal moment in your entrepreneurship journey, one that deserves something extra special for your first Shopify milestone. 10,000 lifetime orders is an accomplishment that starts with you, and it's no small feat. The start of an entrepreneur's journey is packed with promise and potential. Throughout the daily hustle of packing and stacking, of building and believing, you understood that every order was an opportunity for improvement and a chance to grow your business to where it is today. This Shopify milestone is a testament to how far your business has come, forged from that very first order and molded to withstand anything that comes your way. Go ahead, take a bow, because this deserves a celebration. You're now in an exclusive community of top Shopify merchants worldwide who overcame the challenges of starting up and have turned their focus now to a new goal, 100,000 lifetime orders, which you know we're going to hit next door. Here's to 10 times more or 10x more. We'll be with you every step of the way. Your friends at Shopify. Now originally I believe this was written by the CEO or the president. I think Harley, the president of Shopify, originally wrote these, or maybe that was the one for the 100,000 orders. Maybe that's a more personal one. I don't know, but that's pretty cool. So that is the letter. So that is going to stay inside here. So I guess I keep this binder with the letter in as part of the award to cover it up. And now is the main part we've been waiting for, which is actually opening 10,000 orders award. Now, it's a shame that I've switched stores in terms of dropshipping, because it's a lot easier to get orders with dropshipping than getting orders with a real brand, you see. So it's going to take me a long time to reach the next milestone award because I have switched stores, but I should hopefully probably be getting another one of these awards for another store soon, and then maybe get the 100k one probably in the next few years, because the second store is getting pretty close to these numbers already. So let's open this up, open up this box, and I'm gonna have to blur this, and here is the award. That's the inside of the case, and this is the beautiful award with a shininess. This is pretty cool. So the first one is white, so it's kind of like a white acrylic. So I guess we can take it out of the box just like a bag, because it's basically like a shopping bag, right? The Shopify logo. And this thing is actually really heavy. Boom. And here's the Shopify award. So this is basically a legit proof that I've got the amount of orders and the revenue I've showed you in these videos. And on the back, it says, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to get it close and I'm going to blur it so you don't see the store. So it basically says, congratulations to my store name for reaching 10,000 orders. So pretty crazy, really nice award. It's weird seeing the Shopify logo in white because usually you guys know this logo is in green. So it's quite weird seeing this award in a white color. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with it. So that's another award. 2 awards. This was actually issued on April the 26th, 2024. So basically within like 3 to 4 months from starting that store up, in terms of getting the success on it, we got the 10k orders, and we've obviously got more than that since, and we're now on a second store. Pretty crazy stuff. That's definitely gonna go somewhere in my room. I should probably put that as an ornament in the videos in the future, because that's pretty cool. And then it just has information, I guess, from the company. This award was expertly crafted by, I guess they make the awards. This exclusive manufacturer of Shopify milestones for custom recognition. So just like a little card there. Then on the back it just says, gently wipe the product with the included microfiber cloth and mild glass cleaner. And then in the bottom you can see the message. It says, now tell the world, which is what we're doing in this video. Not trying to brag, but this video was more so just to show people that it is obviously possible to start up a Shopify store and get a decent amount of orders and some big revenue. This has basically just been 0 to 100 in just a few months. We started getting success in 2024. I started September last year in 2023. We found kind of one semi-winner, but then we found the first real winner in January, and it's just kind of gone up from there. So just in a few months, literally, you could find 1 or 2 products and everything could just change, right? And this award is testament to that. And hopefully this will show you guys on this channel that I'm not one of those fake gurus. We're putting all the fake gurus to shame by showing you the real numbers, real revenue figures every video, and showing you awards like this, which you can only get from Shopify themselves, who verify your store stats. So pretty excited. There's also a microfiber cloth in there. So I guess I'm going to clean this, and it didn't have smudges on it actually. You won't be able to see this yet again because my camera's like not the best, but there's actually a seal here, and this is like a plastic film which is covering it. So yeah, all in all, really cool award. And on to the next one. Hopefully we'll get the 100k one next to go with the 100k YouTuber award, and get the 100k YouTube subscriber award for this channel. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and if you do want to learn how to get these kind of amounts of orders and stats with Shopify, click the link in the description down below. There is a link to the private community where I share everything I know about dropshipping, all my strategies with ads, and a real case study showing finding a real winning product, which I am actually making money with right now. So sign up if you're interested in that, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.